What's up, YouTube? Uh, Today this video is about that F-250 truck that I've been working on for I don't know, about 2-3 weeks now. I'm getting ready for a sale on the 24th of this month, so I'm about to try and have that, my diesel F-250, the Chevy Silverado I've got, 2 Ford Tauruses, and maybe a Mini Cooper S, all in the sale on the March 24th. The reason is because it's a early lane that dealers like me can get their cars into, so I'm trying to get that all my cars ready. But if you guys have been watching, you've been seeing me work on this Ford F-250 that's behind me, and I've been doing a ton of work to it, getting it ready for paint, because we're going to paint the entire truck, and I really just want it to look as best as it can. So right now I'm working on the bed. In this video today, I'm working on the bed of the truck. I'm fixing the fender wells, the wheel wells. I'm filling in with Bondo and fiberglass to recreate any holes that were missing, or just making it solid as I can. You can see I'm actually taking this after the day is over. I've already worked all day on the truck. I just figured I'd get an intro to the video. I never really do this kind of stuff. So if you guys are watching, or you're gonna watch, please give me a thumbs up, turn on the bell, give me a subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel. If you guys have been watching, I'm talking about it recently, that I've been trying to get my channel to expand and just pick up a little bit, because you know, you see all these people making YouTube videos getting thousands of views, and I watch the videos and I'm like, wow, my videos are just even better than that. Or not my videos, but my content, I should say. I know that I still have a lot of work to do on my videos, but yeah, I mean, I watch these videos that have 100,000 views, or even 50,000 views, maybe 10,000 views. What do I care? And I scratch my head the entire video, like, why does it have so many views? I just don't understand. So I'm trying my best to boost my stuff, and you know, show you guys what I do, and you know, show you jobs like this where I'm gonna follow through the entire job and get as much as I can in video, so that you guys can see really what I do and a full process of everything getting done. I mean, it's a lot. Recently, my videos have picked up a bunch, so if you've seen any, follow through, you know, give me some subs, give me some thumbs up, give me some likes, comments, anything. Help me grow my channel so I can give you guys better premium content of, like, you know, my 350Z, or the Project 350Z, maybe my Subaru GC8 RSTI that I'm building, maybe some Porsche, you know, something fun, my Tahoe, maybe some mudding, maybe some plasma cutting, you know, anything. I do a bunch of fun stuff, but you know, right now I'm just working on the stuff that has to get done, like this truck and everything else that I have going at the end of this auction, because I really need to liquidate some of my inventory. So alright, this is the end of the intro. If you're gonna watch, just hit subscribe real quick, and then watch the rest of this video. It's just me fixing and talking about you know, Bondo and stuffing these fenders or wheel wells with putty so that they look better. And I kind of get a few steps of it, you know, from the start to the finish. You know, I'm not really trying to teach you guys anything. I'm just showing you what I do and trying to get your interest rate up, so then, like, you know, if you have questions, I can explain or anything like that. I can't really record while I work because I don't have a tripod, or, you know, I'm just using my phone even right now to record, and I've always have, because, you know, these iPhones are pretty good at video nowadays. So okay, I'm gonna shut up now. So watch the video, tell me what you guys think. If you like it, go back, see how I started, see anything, you know, ask questions. And one more time, thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks, stay tuned, check it out. Right here, I'm going to be taking body filler, fiberglass, and filling this. I've got it folded, so it's got a little arch there too. And I'm just going to fill it with this stuff. Bondo with hair. It'll fill any holes. It's pretty solid, just with cardboard behind it. And then I'll Bondo over that and make it look good. This stuff's just a solid start base. So you see we're getting along with this truck. Alright, so I got the cardboard pretty solid in there, and doesn't make a perfect arch here, but I'll fill that in. I'm gonna end up pulling the cardboard after anyway. It's just to get a solid fiberglass base, which that's in there pretty solid. So that side's good. I'm gonna do this, grind that down so I can put a second layer of fiberglass on it. And this side's even much farther. I started with this side, it was easier to fill this hole, but I've got the cardboard back there, and then I've got the that layer, one layer of fiberglass was enough for this side. I mean, you could hear how solid that is with one layer. And then I got the Bondo drying over top. And then after this, I grind this Bondo down in one more layer of Bondo and then primer. I mean, I shouldn't have to do much more of that. So that's coming out. I have a ton of work to do on this bed because anywhere you see metal or the silver is a high spot. So this bed is like whoa, 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 whoa. You can see it was pretty smashed in places in the front and the back. So yeah, I've still got a lot of work cut out for me, but I'm fixing all the heavy stuff first. I want to get all the Bondo work out of the way. Next, I got to do these bottom of these doors, but I'm just getting the bed done first so I can move on to the next step. But I'm pretty happy with the way this is coming out. Pretty soon I'm going to shave this down now and start sanding and do another layer. But I'm going to get the other side going first while this dries. Alright, so now I've got the second layer and it's solid. I'll show you. That's that cardboard that I put in there with just 2 light coats of Bondo with hair, and then I don't remember if I showed this side with the Bondo, but this side's filled and dried up too. So I'm gonna get the other side grinded up, get some Bondo on it, and then I'll show you guys that too. First I'm gonna hit it with this guy so that the Bondo sticks. Alright, so I'm finishing up for the day, and I got a decent bit done. You can see that the arch is starting to form pretty nicely. You can see that crease here starting to build. Pretty much my next step would have been shoot some primer over it so I could see really where I need to add some or remove some, or you just see better when there's primer on there to see how it looks. One color is so much easier to look at than all this different colors. So that fender is probably pretty much done with Bondo. I mean, it might need a little bit more, or that wheel well, it might need a little bit more, but I don't think much. And then this side definitely needs one more thing of Bondo on it. I just need one more thing of Bondo here because you can see like there's a low here. This obviously just came out. It's a piece of cardboard, so I'm gonna have to knock this in. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to dig this out and then put more Bondo there so that this fills correctly, because you can't have the cardboard, and that's probably about like where it's supposed to be. I mean, the form of this one came in great too, and this was all missing. Like if you started the video, this whole piece was missing, and I built that today in a matter of a couple hours. I need to fix this piece of the crease. You can just see that it's got a little crook there. But other than that, this one also came out very good. I put this crease in there too, so it looks really natural. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. And that's it for today. I'm just gonna finish it up. I'm gonna do some work on it tomorrow. See if I can get my old man to give me a hand with some touch-ups, because he does all the finish work pretty much. I just do all the rough stuff, and then he comes in and does the finesse. So that's it for that, and this will wrap up the video. Please give me a sub if you're watching, and just keep on watching, man. This F-250 is about to get done here in the next week, sprayed and completely finished, and it's gonna come out pretty nice. I mean, it's gonna be looking like a brand new truck when it's done, is what the goal is. So it's gonna be pretty sweet, and I'm really looking forward to the finished product. So stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up and comment if you have any questions, and I'll be glad to answer. Thanks guys, and I'll talk soon.